Hey friends, we're coming to you from the home office today because we're taking a closer look at this Fudazen projector. Now, if it's been a while since you've looked at projectors, kind of like me, you want to stick around because I'm going to show you a couple of features on this thing that have actually really impressed me. Stay tuned. Now, straight out of the box, you are going to get this projector here with a remote, an HDMI cable, some instructions, as well as a power cord. Now, modern projectors have actually gotten a lot smaller, but this is definitely a little bit bulkier, and there's a reason for that. It includes two features that are pretty cool. One is a built-in speaker system that actually packs some decent punch. Now, the other thing you're going to notice is this stand here that's included on the projector. In the past, projectors basically were independent. You either had to hang them from the ceiling or sit them on a surface that was in line with the area on your wall where you wanted to project. Having this stand built onto the projector allows you to get the correct angle just by maneuvering it inside this sleeve here. In fact, as you can see, this thing can go totally vertical, so we can actually project all the way up straight onto a ceiling if we so desired. Having that stand right there so we can get the perfect angle just by adjusting even with one hand, as you can see, is really convenient. On the front, you're going to find this nice big wide lens. There's no lens cover to protect this from dust, so you do have to be a little bit careful with that. You're also going to find optical input, and that's going to be for our remote. On top, there's a power button, but the power button for the remote works great. And then again, on the back, you can see we have that HDMI input. We have a USB, and I believe that you can use this as a USB storage for movies and things like that. We have another optical input back here for the remote, and then again, that headphone jack. Now, this specific projector boasts up to 4K, so it has a really nice high definition display once it's projected onto the right surface, of course. And it also has an internal OS, meaning it has the Google TV OS built right on. So you don't need to plug anything into it in order to project. Now, we're going to show that OS in action here, but I first want to show you one of my favorite features by turning on the projector and throwing the picture onto this kind of weirdly angled space of a wall over here. Now, because this is at such a weird angle, normally with old projectors, we'd have to really mess around with the settings and get it so that it adjusts to that surface. Watch what happens when I turn this on. So I'm going to adjust this so that it throws over on this wall over here, and watch what happens. You see how it automatically goes into the self-adjusting mode? It's got focal points here. It'll throw up a checkerboard, and then it automatically recognizes that this surface is in this kind of diagonal direction, and it adjusts the screen size to meet that specific wall. Isn't that cool? I really love how that works. Watch what happens if I adjust this over to the wall over here. You can see that it's going to go back into that mode. Let's see if you can figure out this space now. And again, the angle is going to be definitely different for it here, but there we go. It auto-adjusted to meet the needs of that specific space. I really love that feature. It just saves so much time and energy of trying to manually do this. Now again, this is in the daytime and this isn't a white wall, but look at how clear that picture is. Just being thrown up onto, again, a surface textured wall here in the office space. When it's dark, this is going to be even better. Okay, so we're out here in the garage. We're gonna give this a dark test on this big piece of white wall over here on the side of our garage. Now, this should give us a good idea of the size of the picture that we can get. This is one of the main reasons to get a projector is you can get huge displays. And then it'll also give us a good idea of what things look like in the dark. Okay, with the projector on, you can see it has automatically filled nearly the entire white space. That is a huge display now, way bigger than any TV we could purchase. And with just a small light on our garage here so we can see things a little bit better, look at this. As the darker it gets, the more high-res this screen looks. And it looks incredible, friends. Honestly, this is really nice. Now, we also have some settings we can play with. If I click the settings button here, see it opens up a menu, and there's all sorts of things that we can do to adjust this for ourselves. Let me scroll down to the zoom in and zoom out function. If I click on this, you can see that we can actually make this screen smaller if we want to, but again, it automatically adjusts to the largest picture it's able to throw. Now, I will say one negative, and maybe you can hear it, is the fan noise. Now, this isn't super loud, but it's definitely present. Let me hold the mic close and see if you can hear this. Again, not terrible. Let's also test these speakers by playing a movie and look at the sound and the picture quality.
Hey guys, I got a super cool product to show you today. Come join me in the adventure van. So inside the van, it's a pretty simple build. We have our loft bed with our garage underneath where we keep bikes. We've got our little sink area.
Friends, the picture quality on this is excellent. I know it's a little bit hard to see on camera, especially because we're not in a full dark environment, but this is definitely the best projector experience that I've had. Again, I haven't used them in like 10 years, and I'm thoroughly impressed. Now the speakers back here, I would say, are adequate. You're not gonna get super high dynamics, big bassy experience, but it is going to be enough for, watching a football game here in the garage. And again, if you wanted a more high quality sound system, you can plug into this audio jack back here. Okay, so final thoughts. Friends, I'm gonna give this thing a huge thumbs up. Honestly, there really isn't a lot of downside to this thing. Again, I haven't seen projectors in a while, and so all these new features are super impressive. The picture quality on this thing, excellent. This little rotating stand that it comes directly on the projector, excellent, because I can just rotate it super easily. The sound quality on the speakers, not great, but again, I don't need it to be, because if I really wanted a great theater experience, I'd plug this into a better sound system. The auto-focusing feature is incredible. The ability for this thing to project a huge screen in that high 4K quality, excellent. The fact that there is an onboard operating system, the Google TV operating system, is just really, really nice extra touch. So I don't have to plug my computer or anything else in here to get onto the streaming services that I'm interested in. So again, huge thumbs up from us, friends. If you're interested in grabbing this for yourself, you can actually find it right here on Amazon. In fact, we'll put a link in the description box below if you'd like to pick it up for yourself, and then stay tuned. We actually do a ton of these little review videos and DIY tutorial videos to help make your life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.